Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Atlas Reward credit card travel insurance benefits. All right, it's gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. Now you can choose to log in your Atlas account on the Atlas mobile app, or you could choose to log in on the Atlas website. Now once you're logged into your account using your username and password, you're going to select the credit card account that you want to use the travel insurance benefits for, and then just choose that from the account dashboard. And once that's selected, you're going to click on travel insurance, and then you need to review the benefits details to make sure that's good for you, and just contact the travel insurance provider to file a claim or request assistance. And you're gonna need to provide documentations to support the claim, such as receipts or medical records. And once that's done, you're going to receive reimbursement or assistance for eligible travel related expenses. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas reward credit card for travel insurance benefits. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the